Hello students, I hope you all are doing great. We already started a new lesson of class 6 and we are discussing about decimals. Okay. In today's class we are discussing where we are using these decimals in day-to-day's life. See here, when you are using money in day-to-day's life, after that we are using length, okay, length, how much is there, its height, that also we are using here, here also decimals. And in case of weight, there also we are using decimals. How? Let us see. Before that you must and should know this. See here, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, okay, and after this you must and should know which one is bigger unit and which one is a smaller unit. You must and should know this. Here rupees is a bigger unit and paise is a smaller unit. And let me clear you one thing, when you are converting rupees to paise you have to multiply. When you are converting paise to rupees you have to divide. You must and should clear this, because if you know this then only you are going to solve the exercise 6.3 from page number 84. You must and should know this, which one is bigger unit and which one is a smaller unit. Okay, already you know we are using money in day-to-day life, and where you are using money, there we are using rupees as a unit and paise also as a unit. So 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. And where we are using length, see here we are measuring the length of the board or length of the dupatta or length of a sari in meter or centimeter. Okay, here one more is there, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, meter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter means 1 meter. Okay, see here the length of the chalk piece is there in centimeter. Okay, and the length of the board is there in meter. Centimeter means small and meter means big. And one more thing here, weight is there. So how we are measuring weight? Weight is here in kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, not 100 gram, it's 1000 gram. Before this you must and should know which one is greater unit and which one is smaller unit. See here, meter is bigger and centimeter is small, kg is big and gram is small. In length few more points will come. See here, 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 by 10 centimeter. See here, centimeter is a bigger unit and millimeter is a smaller unit. So you must and should know this. And one more thing, when you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, you multiply, and when you are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, no, you must and should divide. So let us see your exercise 6.3 from page number 84. The first question is there, express as rupees using decimals. When you come to know that how to solve, if you know 1 rupees is equal to how many paise, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter, and 1 kg is equal to how many grams. If you know, then you can solve these examples very easily, and you must and should know which one is a greater unit and which one is a smaller unit. So I will solve here exercise 6.3, and the first main question is express as rupees. Express as rupees using decimals. Okay, in previous years you have learned how to convert the rupees to paise, but now you are converting here paise to rupees. So the first question is 30 paise. The first question is 30 paise is there. See here, paise is a smaller unit and the question is there, you have to convert this as a rupees, means you must and should divide. When you are converting rupees to paise, that time you multiply. When you are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, means paise to rupees, means you divide. Already you know 1 rupees is equal to how much? 100 paise. Okay, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Then 30 paise is equal to, you have to write here 30 divided by 100. Okay. So now I wrote this in a fraction. Already you know how to convert fraction to decimals. Then how to convert this? First you have to write the numerator here 30 as it is, and after that see in denominator how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Then you have to give after 2 digit here point and write here 0. So it's 0.30 rupees. Here I converted this 30 paise to rupees. Let me take one more example, and that is 65 rupees. 65 rupees. Yes, 65 rupees 75 paise. 75 paise. See here, already you know this 65 rupees, here only paise was there, but here what is there? 65 rupees 75 paise is there. So don't disturb this rupees, you just convert this 75 paise to rupees, add and write the answer. Or else what you do, you convert this, see here 65 rupees is there, no, you as it is write and take this 75. So I will take here 75 paise, take here 75 paise. 75 paise is there, no? So already you know 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Okay, so 75 paise is equal to 75 divided by 100. Next you take here, write the numerator 75 as it is, and after 2 digit you have to give the point, and it becomes 0.75 rupees. Then I converted this paise to rupees. Add here 65 rupees. Yes, 65 rupees plus 0.75 rupees. Okay. Yes, see here I converted this paise to rupees. Then take here 65 rupees. I will write here. Here you take 65 rupees. Okay, after that what is there here? 0.75 rupees. So plus 0.75 rupees. Then take here, if you don't know this type of addition, then take here 65.00. Next you take 0.75. Add here 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7, and write this point as it is. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 6 plus 0 is 6. So 67.75 rupees. Okay, here you have to write RS. This type you have to convert, see here, rupees to paise. Okay, here express as a rupees. Here I converted that paise to rupees. 65 rupees 75 paise. I converted that in the rupees. Okay, next here you take second main question. So what is there here? Second main question, only 4 examples are there. Okay, among them I have solved 2, remaining you practice in your home. So next question is convert meters. Convert to meters. Convert to meters. Convert to meters. Meters using decimals. Using decimals. Yes, take here 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter is their question. What is their here question? 9 centimeter. See here, centimeter is a smaller unit and meter is a bigger unit. Already you know 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 9 centimeter is equal to, what to write here? 9 divided by 100. Already I told you, when you are converting smaller to bigger unit, no, you must and should multiply. So 9 centimeter is equal to 9 by 100 you have written. So it is there in fractions. How to convert this as in decimals? See here, first you write numerator as it is. Okay. Next, in denominator, see how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Take here 1 0. Here 9 means 1 digit over. You take one more 0 and write here 0. 0.09. What to write here? Meter. Here I converted this centimeter to meter. Sorry, not. Yes, centimeter to meter. Next, here I will take one more example. 534 centimeter. Okay. So already you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 534 centimeter is equal to 534 divided by 100. Why I wrote here 100? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that you must and should know. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That you should know. Okay. Then see here, this is there in fractional form. First you have to write this numerator. I am converting this fraction to decimal. So I wrote here 534. After 534, see here, in denominator how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Then after 2 digit you have to give the point. And what to write here? 5.34 meter. This type you have to convert meters to centimeter. See here, this centimeter is there, no? I converted to meters. Let me take one more example. See here. So I will take here 5 meter and what is there? 39 centimeter. 5 meter, 39 centimeter. Then add here, see here, 5 meter. You can follow this method also. 5 meter means it is 500 centimeter plus 39. So add both, how much it is? 539 centimeter. Okay. So take here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here I converted this to centimeter. When you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, no, you multiply. Why I wrote here 500? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Add 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 539 centimeter is equal to, what to write here? 539 divided by 100. So write here as it is. So I will write here the numerator 539. After how many digits you have to give point here? 2 digits. And write here meter, 5.39 meter. This type you have to convert. Next, one more question is there here. Third main, very important examples. Third main and convert to centimeters. Convert to centimeters using decimals. The question is there, and the first question, see here, 76 mm. See here, mm means it is very, very small unit. See here, the length of the chalk piece is there, no? I can measure in centimeter, but this length is there, no? I will measure in mm. So here, 1 mm is equal to how many centimeters? 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter means, see here, there is a scale. Okay, here scale is there. Here scale is there. From here to here, 10 are there. 10 lines are there, no? Among that 1 means the millimeter is that much small. So what is there here? First question. The first question is there 76 mm. So 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Then 76 mm is equal to, what to write here? 76 divided by 10. So already you know how to convert this in a decimals. First you need to write here the numerator 76. In denominator how many zeros are there? 1 0. 7.6, what to write here? mm. 7.6 mm. This type you have to convert. Here one more question is there, and that is 157 mm. Okay, so already you know 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so 157 mm is equal to, see here, 157 divided by 10. So write here numerator as it is 157. After how many digits you have to give your point? 1 digit. 15.7. What to write here? Centimeter. So this type you have to convert the centimeters. Convert in a centimeters. I hope you are getting my points. Next here, third main. First I converted in rupees, after that I converted in meters, and after that I converted here in centimeters. So next question is here, convert to kilometers. Convert to kilometers. Here conversion is very important. Convert to, what is there here? Convert to kilometers. Convert to kilometers. Kilometers. Okay, meters. Yes, first question is 6 meter. See here, let me clear you one more thing. See here, meter is a smaller unit and kilometer is a bigger unit. Then tell me, 1 meter is equal to how many kilometers? 1 meter is equal to, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, see here, then what is there here question? 6 meter is there. The question is 6 meter. So what to do here? 6 divided by 1000. Why I divided? Because I converted here smaller unit to bigger unit. So why I wrote here 1000? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Next, see here, first you have to write the numerator. 6 is there. After how many digits here point will come? 1, 2, 3. Because in denominator 3 zeros are there. Here only 1 digit is there, means you need to write here again 2 zeros. 6 is there, 1 digit, 0, 0. Okay, 3 digit, and give here point and write here 0. So 0.006 kilometer. I hope you are getting my point. Why I wrote here 1000? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Next I converted this 6 meter to kilometer. So 6 meter is equal to 0.006 kilometer. Okay. Next I will take here one more example, and that is 5678 meter. Here also you have to follow the same procedure. Here you write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so 5678 meter is equal to 5678 divided by 1000. Okay, next you convert this as a decimal. First you write numerator 5678. Then tell me after how many digits I need to give your point? After 3 digits, because in denominator 3 zeros are there. So give here 1, 2, 3. So the point will come here and write here meter. Sorry, not meter. Here you have to write kilometer. 5.678 kilometer. This type you have to convert meter to kilometer. So next one more concept will come here. Convert kilometer by using decimals. Convert meter. Convert to, very easy concepts are there. Try to solve this kind of examples. Convert to kilogram. Convert to kilogram. Kilogram. Yes. So the first question is 5 gram. 5 gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So you must and should know this. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Yes, and 5 gram is equal to 5 divided by 1000. Why I wrote here 1000? Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So write here 5. After 3 digit you need to give your point, because in denominator 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, and here you go point, and here you write 0 and write here kg. Means 5 gram is equal to 0.005 kg. Okay, I will take here one more example, and that is 9 kg 2 gram. 9 kg 2 gram. Okay, you convert this 9 kg in gram, multiply with 1000. 9 into 1000 is 9000. Okay, plus 9000 gram plus 2 gram. How much it is? 9002 gram. Okay, I added. If you did not understand, then write here 9000 plus 2. See here, 0 plus 2. 2, next you write 0, 0, and write here 2. So 9000 plus 2 is 9002 gram. Okay, so next you have to follow the same procedure. 1 kg is equal to how much? 1000 gram. Therefore 9002 gram is equal to 9002 divided by 1000. Okay, so write here first 9002. After that, how many digit I have to leave here? 3 digit, because in denominator 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, and give here point. So 9.002 kg. This type you have to convert this gram to kg. Try to solve exercise 6.3. Here you must and should know the units, which unit we are using and how to convert. Means 1 kg is equal to how many grams, that you must and should know. If you know that, then you can solve these examples very easily. From exercise 6.3 I have solved from one main I have solved 2 examples. Remaining examples try to solve in your home. Okay, I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.